Welcome to 2050. Dinner is served. Hey there, food fans. Buckle up because we're about to take a wild ride into the future of food. Year 2050. Get ready for flying cars, self-lacing shoes, and cricket pasta. Yep, you heard that right. AI predicts some pretty wild things about our culinary future. Forget everything you thought you knew about food. We're talking sustainable sushi, 3D printed dinners, and even edible clouds of flavor. Intrigued? You should be. This isn't just about what we'll be eating, it's about how we'll be living. Let's dig in.
First up, let's talk sushi. This classic dish is getting a serious makeover. Overfishing is a huge problem. But what if we could grow fish in a lab? No oceans, no bycatch, just pure, sustainable protein. Pair that with seaweed farms, which absorb carbon dioxide and help clean our oceans. Suddenly, you've got a delicious, eco-friendly sushi roll. It's a win-win for your taste buds and the planet. Imagine dipping your chopsticks into a plate of vibrant seaweed rolls, packed with sustainably sourced salmon or tuna. The future of sushi is bright and it's incredibly delicious.
Next, let's talk bugs. Yes, you heard me correctly. Insects are packed with protein and require far less land and water to raise than traditional livestock. Cricket flour, for example, can be used to make pasta that's both nutritious and sustainable. I know. Bugs might not sound appetizing now, but trust me, once you get past the initial ick factor, you'll be amazed by the culinary possibilities. Think cricket flour pasta tossed with a garlicky pesto or a spicy arrabbiata sauce. Don't knock it till you try it.
Now let's get really futuristic. Imagine a device in your kitchen that can print out a perfectly cooked steak, a slice of pizza, or even a birthday cake. That's the power of 3D food printing. This technology uses edible inks made from real ingredients to create customized meals, tailored to your exact nutritional needs and preferences. Need more iron? Print yourself a steak. Craving something sweet? A 3D printed dessert is just a button press away. This isn't just about convenience, it's about reducing food waste and ensuring everyone has access to healthy, delicious food.
Section 5, Climate Resilient Crops, Salads of the Future. Imagine a world where our salads are a vibrant, sustainable feast for the senses. Our climate is changing and our food must adapt. The way we grow and consume food must evolve. Enter climate-resilient crops like amaranth and millet. These ancient grains offer a sustainable solution to modern agricultural issues. These grains are packed with nutrients and thrive in harsh conditions, providing essential vitamins and minerals. Imagine a salad bursting with the nutty flavors of quinoa, recognized for its health benefits. The earthy aroma of lentils, high in protein and fiber, making them a perfect addition to any salad. And the vibrant colors of heirloom tomatoes, rich in antioxidants and flavor. These crops are versatile and delicious, offering endless culinary possibilities. Embrace the diversity of our planet's food pantry. Incorporating these crops supports sustainable agriculture. Explore the delicious possibilities of these climate-resilient superstars. The future of salads is bright, flavorful, and sustainable.
Section 6. Personalized flavor clouds. Inhaling your dessert. Finally, let's end on a sweet note. Imagine inhaling a cloud of your favorite dessert flavor. Chocolate cake, strawberry cheesecake, or even apple pie. That's the future of snacking with personalized flavor clouds. These zero-calorie treats use vaporized flavor compounds to create a burst of flavor without any sugar or calories. It's like Willy Wonka meets molecular gastronomy. Who needs a fork when you can literally breathe in your dessert? Section 7. The future of food. A delicious adventure awaits. So there you have it. A glimpse into the future of food in 2050. From sustainable sushi to three-dimensional printed meals, the future of food is full of exciting possibilities. These innovations aren't just about satisfying our taste buds. They're about creating a more sustainable and equitable food system for everyone. It's about embracing technology, respecting our planet, and exploring the incredible diversity of our culinary world. The future of food is here, and it's delicious. Section 8. A new culinary landscape. Embracing innovation. The year 2050 promises a culinary landscape that's as innovative as it is delicious. Imagine walking into a kitchen where smart appliances anticipate your needs, and advanced cooking techniques bring out flavors you never thought possible. It's a world where technology and tradition collide, creating a harmonious blend of the old and the new. Picture an artisan chef working side by side with a food robot, each bringing their unique strengths to the table. In this future, sustainability and flavor go hand in hand. Chefs are not just focused on taste, but also on the environmental impact of their ingredients. They are committed to using fresh, organic produce sourced from sustainable farms. This isn't just science fiction, folks. These advancements are already taking shape in our world today. Modern chefs are equipped with advanced kitchen tools that make cooking more efficient and exciting. These trends are emerging rapidly, driven by pressing concerns about climate change, population growth, and the need for more sustainable food systems. Urban farms and hydroponics are becoming more common as we seek to reduce our carbon footprint. The demand for healthier, more sustainable food choices is growing. People are more conscious of what they eat and where it comes from, leading to a surge in organic food markets and healthy meal prep services. The question isn't whether these changes will happen, but how quickly they will become the norm. Futuristic dining experiences are already being tested, and food technology trends are evolving at a rapid pace. The rapid adaptation of new food technologies is transforming the market. Innovative food products are being introduced, offering consumers more choices than ever before. And more importantly, how we can embrace these innovations to create a more delicious and sustainable future for everyone. Chefs and farmers are collaborating on sustainable practices, ensuring that the community can enjoy meals that are both futuristic and environmentally friendly. Section 9. The Ethical Plate: Navigating the Future of Food. In this chapter, we delve into the complex and fascinating world of food innovation, exploring how technology is reshaping our culinary experiences and the ethical questions that arise from these advancements. Of course, with any technological advancement comes ethical considerations. As we push the boundaries of what is possible in food production and preparation, we must also consider the moral implications of these changes. Lab-grown meat raises questions about animal welfare and the role of technology in our food system. While it offers a solution to the ethical concerns of traditional meat production, it also prompts us to think about the long-term impacts on our environment and health. Three-dimensional printed meals challenge our notions of cooking and the social aspect of food preparation. This technology allows for unprecedented creativity in the kitchen, but it also makes us question what we value in our culinary traditions. As we navigate this new culinary landscape, it's crucial to engage in open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of these innovations. We must consider the potential benefits and drawbacks, ensuring that our choices reflect our values and priorities. We need to ensure that these advancements benefit everyone, not just a select few. Inclusivity and accessibility should be at the forefront of our discussions, making sure that technological progress in food is equitable and just. The future of food isn't just about what we eat, but about how we produce, distribute, and consume it. Innovations like vertical farming and automated distribution centers are revolutionizing the way we think about food supply chains, making them more efficient and sustainable. It's about making conscious choices that prioritize both our health and the health of our planet. By embracing these advancements thoughtfully, we can create a food system that supports a healthier, more sustainable future for all. If you enjoyed this exploration of the future of food, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of food innovation. Section 10. Bon Appetit, 2050. So, are you ready to embrace the future of food? Get ready to swap your beef burger for a cricket patty, print out your breakfast on demand, and savor the flavors of climate-resilient crops. The future of food is an adventure, a journey of discovery that promises to tantalize our taste buds and challenge our perceptions. It's a future where food is not just fuel, but a source of innovation, sustainability, and culinary delight. Bon appetit, 2050. I'll save you a seat at my table. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more exciting glimpses into the future.